Hi everybody, it's Claudette. Welcome back to Claudette's Charms. Here today with these crazy earrings I bought at the Dollar Tree last year to get into the festive spirit, which this year is a challenge. I'm late decorating the tree, but I've been working on ornaments every day since the 1st almost. Well, I have 10, so that's close. I was gonna do a Vlogmas every day, but I decided no, that's crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one and maybe one more because I'm really having fun doing these silly little ornaments. And I'm gonna put links down below to everybody's channel or their post if it's on the internet. So you can find the patterns. A couple of them are mine that I just winged. All of them are done on a 12 peg loom. I don't think I used the 24 for any of these. I did for this guy. I used my 24 peg, but you've seen him in one of my other videos. But I just love him. He's my favorite. Isn't he cute? This is my Santa. And I have yet to make him a Mrs. Claus, which I don't know if that'll happen this year or not, because I'm having fun making these little ones. But anyway, so I've been doing that and working on a 10-stitch blanket on the loom, which I'll show you at the end. But I want to start with this little sock monkey. So I just kind of winged him on the 12 peg loom. And I looked at Pinterest and other people on YouTube and kind of just decided how many rows they did for crochet or knit and kind of just did that on the loom. And then did his face just from kind of copying other people, kind of doing my own thing. But isn't he cute? My daughter named him Pete. So he's Pete the sock monkey. And he's got little black button eyes. Here's his tail. Oh, I did this stitch. Oh gosh, I forget what it's called. Duplicate stitch it's called, that you can do over the knitting when you're done. So that's what I did on his feet, his hands, his tail, and around his ears and the top of his head. So that's Pete. So he's gonna go back over here. And then we've got the little Christmas wreath. I kind of did my own take on this, put some little lights on it and trim. But this one is a YouTube video. Let me look at my notes here. Lucy Loom has a video on how to do these on the loom. And I believe this was the 12. This might have been the 24 peg. Yeah, I think. Okay, then we have the little bells. Now I did a couple of these, but I started copying Brenda Myers. She has a tutorial on YouTube. I started doing hers, but then I kind of did my own thing, and they came out kind of crazy. They're supposed to be tapered in, but I just did the drawstring cast on and cast off, and then I just tied the bells down here at the bottom. This one, I don't know, I think it looks more like a cat toy. I might give this to the cats. So anyway, I'll link hers down below. Hers are cuter. And then you guys can make them the right way if you want. And then the little stockings, I did 2 of these like this. And that is by Gina Lay. She's on YouTube also. I did her pattern for these. This one, there's another video out there that she does with the E-wrap on the top. This was with the U-knit stitch, these two. This one's more E-wrappy, so she has both of those. I'm not gonna put these back on the tree because I have to put the lights on anyway. So then, perhaps my second favorite is this little red truck. And this was inspired by Crocheting House Mouse. She's been doing a Vlogmas a day, an ornament a day. She's adorable. Her name is Angelia. Hi, Angelia. I'm finally doing my video, I promised you. Anyway, this was so much fun, but it did take me a while. I think I'm a very slow loomer, crochet, or whatever. This was just crochet. I did not do this on the loom. I forgot. This was just a regular crochet pattern. And I'm going to link down below where you can find the pattern. Crocheting House Mouse put the link on her video too. I didn't do the fenders and stuff that Crocheting House Mouse did. I'm going to link her channel too so you can see all her cute ornaments, and she did a better job on, she put fenders and wheel covers and all kinds of stuff, a fender, and I don't know, I just think hers is cuter. But anyway, I'll link those below. It's another one of my favorites. Well, let me take these off. And this one, I did this one yesterday. Look how cute. Isn't he adorable? Oh gosh, I hope I wrote down. Oh, I think I forgot to write down where I got this from. But I will link it below. It's Good Knit Kisses. Oh, I know who it is. It's Repeat After Me, Create After Me, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, she has really cute ornaments, and I'm going to link her blog below because the pattern's on there, but there's also a tutorial on Good Knit Kisses that I'll link. They collaborated and did this together. Mine's a little different. I did mine on the loom. They crocheted theirs. Theirs is really cute too. I did the frosting with the duplicate stitch around in the green and the white. And theirs is done with crochet, which is really cute. And then I added the bells to mine. So, but I will link that below. It's Create After Me, I think. Something like that. Okay, and then this started out as a Brenda Myers bell. And then I just ended up making it a hat and stuck a pom-pom on it. But there's all kinds of Christmas hat ornaments on YouTube you can find. So I thought that was really cute. Oh, and this yarn, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby. It's the metallic. It's one of my favorites. The other yarns were, I love this yarn, just the plain, or Red Heart. Okay, we did that one already. Are we done? Oh, I think we're done. Sorry. Anyway, if you want to get some of these crazy lights, I don't know, somebody probably still has them. I wish I had them in red, but they only had green left last year. So that's what I did. I bought these, and I love them. I wore them to work last year and drove everyone crazy. Anyway, then I want to show you the beginning of my 10-stitch blanket. Let me grab it here. This one I'm following, oh gosh, it's a really good tutorial. I can't think of her name now. I'm sorry. I'll link her below too. But this is the beginning, and it's coming out beautifully. I'm excited. And you just expand out on it. I'm going to change colors to blend because I'm running out of this color. This is I Love This Yarn. I can't remember the name. But anyway, that's really fun to learn. And I'm sorry I can't think of her name, but I will link it down below. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a merry pre-season Christmas. I know it's different this year. We're probably all shopping online, driving poor UPS and FedEx and Amazon crazy, but that's the way we roll this year, right? 2020. So anyway, hope everybody's having a great time. Stay calm and crochet on is my motto, or loom on, whichever comes first. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.